seatbelt fastened until you're parked at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Cell phones may now be used, however laptop computers and other large electronics must remain stowed. Once you arrive at the gate, please use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injury from articles that may have shifted during landing. For questions regarding ground transportation and baggage claim, a Frontier customer service representative will meet the flight upon arrival and is happy to assist you. For those customers needing social assistance, we kindly ask that you remain seated until the majority of the customers exit the aircraft, as this will allow us to better assist you. For those customers visiting, we wish you a pleasant stay. For those who live in the area, welcome home. On behalf of your crew and everyone on Team Frontier, thanks for traveling with us today. Please be sure to visit flyfrontier.com the next time you plan a flight. I got our lowest fares done right.
Woohoo!